what's up everybody? DJ Beneficial checking in. Just got this in the mail today. This is the Moza Mini S. This is a gimbal, which is a stabilizer that you use with your smartphone device in order to eliminate all the shake and get more cinematic footage from your cell phone. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that comes inside here. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus quarantine, I'm stuck at home, so it's going to be a little while before I can actually take this out into the field, use it, and then come back and give you guys an in-depth review. So be on the lookout. There is going to be a review coming later, but for today, we're just going to start with the unboxing. So let's get into it. All right, so this is what the box looks like. Here's what we got inside. Got the instructions. Got a nice soft cloth. Here's the tripod. Got some stickers, that's always fun. And a nice soft bag for carrying it in. USB-C charging cable. And the camera control cable. And here's the gimbal itself. It's got a button right here so you can unfold it. That way it makes it a little bit easier to carry when you're traveling. It's only got one place to mount something, so I'm going to use that for the tripod right here. And let's have a look at it. Alright, so now you guys know what all comes inside the box. To be honest, this thing is actually a little bit bigger than I was expecting, but either way, I can't wait to give this thing a test run, take it out in the field. Once I have more insight on this product, I'm going to go ahead and release an in-depth review, so make sure that you stay in the loop so you don't miss out on that. All you got to do is hit that subscribe button below, turn on the bell for notifications, that way whenever I upload a video in the future you'll be alerted. In addition to unboxing and tech review, I also like to do tutorials for editing software, tutorials for DJs, and I like to do reviews on the nightclubs that I perform at, so make sure you hit that subscribe button because there's a lot of fun stuff that we cover in this channel. Other than that, appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I'll catch up with you all in the next video. Peace.